Look how nasty, disgusting, and dirty my Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zebras are. Look how white and clean my Zebras are. Look how nasty, disgusting, and dirty my Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zebras are, man. They are full of dirt, full of mud. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can clean your disgusting, dirty Yeezys and bring them back to life. To clean my Yeezys, I'm going to be using Rejuvenator. You guys can check the link down below in the description and make sure you use the code DANNY10 to save you 10% off Rejuvenator products. So let's get started cleaning these dirty, disgusting Yeezy Zebras. So I do have 3 brushes in front of me. We do have the stiff brush, which I'm going to be using for the bottoms, so we're going to put that away for now. I will be using the soft bristled brush, as well as the medium bristled brush for the uppers. So let's get started. So these things are full of dirt, so I did put a towel down so that it doesn't make too much of a mess. We do also have a bowl of water. We're going to start with the medium bristled brush, dip it in some water, and then we're going to apply some of the Rejuvenator onto the brush. Dip it back in the water. And let's start scrubbing off these disgusting Yeezys. You're going to see Rejuvenator start to foam up. You want that foam-like action up on the upper. And as you can see, the Zebras are getting dirtier, like darker. It's not getting dirtier, it's just getting darker. You want that to happen. It's going to happen. Apply more Rejuvenator if you need to. Back in the water. And you can see we do have some of the suds popping up here on the shoe. Now, we're going to clean both shoes the entire way. Just keep scrubbing, 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 and get all of that dirt, any dirt, grime, mud, whatever you have on your shoe. Get it all off of the shoe. And then I'm going to show you guys later on in this video how to put your Yeezys into the washing machine carefully without ruining them. And you're going to see what happens in the washing machine that really brings these Yeezys back to life. Right now, I'm just really getting off, you know, the real surface dirt. The washing machine is going to really bring them white. And you guys are definitely going to make sure you stay tuned for that. It's going to be really, really dope and really sick how these turn out. How good these are going to turn out. So, let's keep scrubbing. Let's keep getting all this dirt off these Zebras. And we will take you guys to the washing machine when it is ready. On Yeezys, you can use the medium bristled brush and the soft bristled brush on the uppers. Do not use the stiff brush, the hard bristled brush. That will mess up the upper. Now, you can see I did switch to the soft bristled brush to get more of the foam. As you can see, it's really foaming up a lot more than the medium bristled brush did. And you want this for the delicate uppers. You can use the medium bristled brush, just don't go too hard with the medium bristled brush. The uppers are very dark, black, disgusting still. They are much better than they were. However, they're not clean. You need the washing machine for the uppers. Now, for the bottom is where I'm going to be using the stiff or hard bristled brush. So let me move those 2 brushes and let's start using the hard bristled brush. The hard bristled brush is only meant for the bottom of the shoes. Do not use it on the uppers because it is a prime knit upper. It will mess up your uppers. So use it for the bottom and you're going to get, as you can see, right away, some suds. Some of you might be wondering how come I didn't take the laces out of the shoe, because after all, the laces are dirty. There's really no need to because of the step that I'm going to do right now, which is going to get the shoes and the laces ready for the washing machine. The next step is the washing machine. So for the washing machine, you either need one of 2 things. You can either use Rejuvenator's laundry detergent. I currently don't have any. I did run out. Or you can use what I'm going to use in this video, some blue laundry detergent. Make sure it is, of course, the color blue. Blue does help whites. That's why your laundry detergent is mostly blue, because it will help with the whites. So just put some on the brush. You can put it on the shoe. It doesn't really matter. So now just basically scrub it in. You're pre-treating the sneaker for the washing machine with the laundry detergent. So make sure you do a real good job of getting all of the laundry detergent on the shoe. Get it on the laces. It's going to foam and suds up just like the Rejuvenator did. So just keep scrubbing that in there along the whole entire sneaker. Do not be afraid to use the laundry detergent. It's going to help the sneaker just clean a lot better in the washing machine. Get it on the laces. Put it everywhere, all over the sneaker. You can also use the laundry detergent inside of the sneaker. So if it's white like the Zebras are, go ahead and use the laundry detergent. Get really in there. After you are done with the laundry detergent, or you just applied Rejuvenator right into your washing machine, it is time to go to the washing machine and wash these Yeezys. Now it is time for the washing machine. Go ahead and open up your washing machine, put your Yeezys into the washing machine. If you have Rejuvenator's bags, I do suggest putting them in the bag. I only have one right now, so I'm not going to be able to put both in there. Not a problem though. Go ahead and close the washing machine and start up your washing machine. Now, for settings, this is where it's important. You want to make sure you do, of course, quick wash because you don't want them in there for too long. Cold water, spin on medium, and soil on normal. And that is all you need to do. Now, start up the washing machine. And now you wait for the washing machine to clean your Yeezys.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Look how white and clean my Zebras are. Look at this. This is absolutely insane. Shout out to Rejuvenator. It is absolutely crazy how clean and how white my Zebras are. Rejuvenator really restored my Yeezys and made them look brand new. Make sure you guys check out Rejuvenator. I will have that discount code down below in the description and on screen right now. Make sure you guys use that code to save 10% off Rejuvenator products. I hope you guys enjoyed this full cleaning and restoration of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zebra. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and make sure you leave a comment down below in the comment section and let me know what sneaker you want to see me clean next. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.